Hi everyone, my name is Paula and I'm one of the founders and also an app developer at imagiLabs, which means that I spend most of my time using this laptop to write code for the app that you use to learn how to write code. And today I'm going to be talking about something that I'm a little bit obsessed with. So it's a Japanese breed called a Shiba Inu, and it looks a little bit like this, except it has a smaller head. And I've been obsessed with this breed for about 2 years now, and all my friends know about this because I always post about it on social media. And whenever I see a Shiba Inu out in the wild, I just have to take a picture or a video of it. So naturally, one of the first projects that I created in the imagiLabs app was a Shiba Inu. And you can see it on my Imagi charm over here. So I made it as an animation. You can see his little tongue sticking out. And I think it actually does look a little bit like this Shiba Inu over here. So, getting back to today's challenge. So your task for today is to program your favorite animal. And it doesn't have to be a dog or a Shiba Inu, but I'm really excited to see what your favorite animals are and how you portray them with code in the imagiLabs app. Don't forget to add the hashtag day16 to your project so we count it as an entry for the imagi30 Days of Code. Good luck, and I'll see you all in the app.